Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to fix shadows on iPhone photos. If you fail to take control of shadows, they will ruin your shots. For those unaware, shadows are the dark areas where light source is blocked by an object. Moreover, they also change shape, intensity, and even color along the angle, direction, and temperature of light. But bother not, iOS offers a pretty neat way to fix shadows on iPhone photos. That said, let's get started. First off, open the Photos app on your iPhone. Now head over to the image where you like to edit shadows. Next, tap on the Edit button at the top right corner of the screen. Then swipe toward left from right to access the Shadow button and tap on it. Then drag the slider left or right to perfectly adjust shadows in the image. Once you have fixed the image, make sure to tap on Done at the bottom right corner of the screen to finish. There you go, you have fixed shadows in this particular image. Do know that you can use this very tool to edit shadows in any photo on your iOS device, so get the most out of it to fix all the photos as and when the need arrives. Later, if you ever wish to revert all the edits, simply open the image and then tap on Edit at the top right corner of the screen. Then hit Revert at the bottom and choose Revert to Original and you are good to go. That's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily fix shadows on iPhone photos. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.